if your laptop, right, you couldn't locate your disk drive, okay, like D drive or E or F drive, whichever drive you have, your hard disk might be having some problem. So what you can do, I'm going to share with you some methods to see whether is it working like this. One of them is actually check the disk management, how to go into this. Press the Windows key, Windows key, and then we press the X. Windows X together. You press the Windows X together, and then it will come out this. Okay, Windows X, and then you click on the disk management portion here. Okay, so you come out with this. Okay, look for your drive, whether you can see your drive. Sometimes if your drive is not working, right, this one will show like this is not detected. Okay, not detected. Okay, you will see this, and it will possibly shows whether is it healthy, but maybe it has no drive letter, or a disk marked offline, or it shows a disk showing unallocated if the hard disk has some problems. So how to fix? If there's no drive letter, right click the drive. Okay, right click the drive, and then you change the drive, right click the drive, and then you just change the drive lah. You change drive letter. If not, you format it up. You want, you have to format the whole thing. If not, you have to change it, the drive, change it. Okay, change it to a new alphabet. Okay, change the drive. And if it's offline, right? Offline, then you just change to make it online. Okay, to make it online. If it's offline, you have to change it to make it online and all that. So where there'll be basically some options that shows that it's online. Okay, or offline. And then unallocated, you need to allocate it lah. Okay. So basically, if it's online, you just right click and then basically it will show online there. And if it's unallocated, the data may be at risk, so you need to actually yeah, you don't format it and see whether you can allocate, whether there's an allocate button. Okay, so basically this is the disk management section to check your disk drive, what's happening. Okay, what's happening. And then another thing, okay, if this all this thing you have checked already, right? Maybe it's your hard disk problem. You probably have to power off your PC, laptop, check your SATA power cable. You have to open up your laptop PC case at the back, and yeah, take out the screws at the back, and then check your SATA port cable. It could be a loose in connection. Your cable connection is loose, or probably you need to replace one to a new one. Okay, the other one is to check using the device manager lah. Okay, device manager. So the device manager, Windows, Windows X. Okay. So device manager, Windows X. Device manager. Okay, check your device manager. Right. And then you expand your disk drive. Okay, then you check your disk drive here. Okay, expand your disk drive. Disk drive. See whether there's any drive. Okay, see whether there's any drive, and then probably update your drivers. update your drivers, or you uninstall, you click uninstall the device and then restart the PC or laptop and see whether the laptop auto detect it, and yeah, is it working or not. So basically it's update the driver, or you uninstall the device and then restart the laptop PC to see whether the Windows detect the drive or not. Okay, basically these are the 3 steps to see whether you can have a fix for your drive that is not working, cannot be detected. Right. Yeah, that's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.